Hi, these were the data points for the last 2 weeks from day 1408 to day 1420. Average body weight was 79.65 kgs, decreased by 0.67%. Belly size was more or less the same. Average calorie intake was 3333 kilocalories. I want to share my feelings and situation, how I am feeling or feeling. I think order cuts down chaos. Sometimes I feel my life is a bit chaotic. I'm not able to do things that I want to do. It feels a bit too much. This process, transformation, is the thing that keeps order in my life. I design everything around this, not the other way around. That is, design life around work. I will give you an example. Sometimes weeks are a bit chaotic, routine gets messed up, sleep cycle gets disturbed, and also diet becomes harder to track because there is no pattern in what I eat. Sometimes for weeks at a stretch. The past couple of weeks were like that. I was feeling low, very low. Diet was up and down. Some days I ate way less, and for some days I ate a lot more than what I was intended. I was not off by a lot of calories as compared to my weekly average calories target, but the way I got there was inconsistent. It brings chaos in life, and when there is chaos, uncertainty follows. I became more uncertain toward my goal, or say my goal becomes more uncertain. Good thing for me is that the thing that I can anchor myself to in situation like this is staying healthy by going to gym and also stretching. Don't forget the stretching. It's as important as whatever that you do in the gym. I have this habit or thing that acts like an anchor which I work very hard to make it a part of my life by years of consistency. I can stack one habit on top of another on this anchor and try to get back into my routine, no matter how messed up my routine gets. The process in itself is a reward for me. I can order my life around this process pretty rapidly. Changing or making changes becomes easier around this process. It's kind of a symbiotic relationship. The anchor that is going to the gym creates a habit. The habits creates a process. The process brings order, and order can create whatever that you want in life. I think those who are able to form this process around being healthy or staying healthy will not have any problem whatsoever to stick to it for rest of their life. It's a positive feedback loop. The process it in itself becomes a reward for you. Out of this bubble, there are some things that I am very afraid of. I am afraid to put myself in the public. I am not afraid of the criticism or trolls. Those things are at the least of my concern. I am more afraid of the people in my vicinity. I think it will make my life a bit unordered and filled with unwanted attention. I am worried about my privacy. I have this intrusive thought that I became famous and people in the gym started to recognize me. They wanted to be in my company so that they can order their life around my routine. As a result of that, the gym gets so crowded that they decide to remove me from the gym, seeing me as the cause for that. I had this thought for a while, which makes me fear. I am not that rich that I can build my own gym. You can make me so famous and wish that I don't need to worry about these pretty things. It's funny, literally very funny. I was laughing while I was writing this and read what I wrote again and again, but still, I included it as the fear is genuine too. I am afraid of that too. I can tolerate this attention, but I think it will be too much for my family. That's also the reason I'm still making my videos bland because I don't want to get famous or viral, at least not yet, until I gather some strength to look beyond this. It's not about me. It was never about me. These are just my thoughts and feelings. I just wanted to write this. I'm stuck at this end of the creative process because of this reason. I know what I need to do. Focus on the one task that is left, that is to execute this task successfully. I should stop fighting myself. In the end, this is the way. I'm happy a lot, also pleasant. There is stress, I mean, a lot of it around me. Not every day, but sometimes it's there. I don't know. Is it my nature or being healthy? I don't feel that stress, at least not yet. I'm almost never lonely. I think nobody should be lonely psychologically, or else you are doomed. It could be the reason I am expressive, at least with my family. If I get mad or sad, I express everything to them. The more I think about it, the more I feel this could be the reason. Anyway, for next week, I'll try to be more consistent regarding both my diet and activity and make further observations. Stay healthy, stay focused. In the end, as the Mandalorian says, this is the way. Till then, bye. See ya.